Hey guys, in this episode we learn how to install Python software on Windows 10. First we go to python.org downloads. Then we click on this icon. This is the latest version of Python. And in this course we use this version. After it has downloaded, we right click, then we click on open, run. Here, before installing, be careful to tick this option, add Python 3.6 to path. Install now. Okay, we wait for it. Come on. It takes ages. Oh my God. Okay, thank God. After installation, we back to the Windows to check whether it has been installed or not. In doing so, we go to a start menu and we type cmd. Okay, here I just type Python -- version. Okay, that's it. You can see Python 3.6.2. If I type Python and push enter, here we can write instructions of Python. For example, you write hello world. Yes, that's cool. Hello world. I got it. Also, here, if you push Ctrl-Z instruction, you exit the Python. That's really easy peasy. Okay, in the next episode, we learn how to install Python on Linux. Bye bye.